God, my hair looks so awful with all this gray. Oh. Good morning, friends. How's everybody doing today? It's Monday, so we're here for a math lesson again. I hope all of you have had a nice weekend and you're ready to do some math this morning. We're going to begin with our calendar. And since we've been together for math, we can see that it's a new month. Our calendar says May 2020. And you can see the number 1 is underneath Friday. Why do you think I put the number 1 all the way down here? Why did I skip all of these boxes and put the 1 down here? Think about that. Well, the number 1 is all the way down here in this box because Friday was May 1st. So we had to put the 1 underneath the word Friday. All right. Today, I touch the last number, which is the 4, and I move my finger up. The calendar tells me today is Monday. So yesterday was Sunday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. And of course, the year is still 2020. So let's write that in our notebooks. Open up your notebook to the next page and get ready to write Monday. Monday starts with M, but because it's the name of something, we know it has to start with an uppercase M. It's the name of our day, so we write it with an uppercase M. And all the rest of the letters are lowercase. Everybody write Monday in your notebook. With an uppercase M because it's the name of this day, and the rest of the letters lowercase. All right, Monday, and it's May. May also begins with M, and it's an uppercase M because it's the name of our month. And May is a nice short month to write. Uppercase M and then lowercase a and lowercase y. And today is May 4th, and it's still 2020. So today is Monday, May 4th, 2020. A nice new month underway. Let's look and see if we have a pattern. This time on the calendar, I just put numbers, but you can see I'm using different colors. So say it with me. Pink, pink, green, green. Do you think there's a pattern yet? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Is the whole thing repeating? Because I know in order for it to be a pattern, the whole thing has to repeat. No, I don't think it's a pattern yet. I don't see the 2 pink ones repeating, and I don't see green repeating. We really don't know what will be up tomorrow. Will it be pink again? Will it be another color? We don't have a pattern yet, so we'll have to wait and see. So there's nothing we can draw for our pattern today, since we don't have a pattern yet. All righty, let's go on and look at our goal. We're still working with number sense, so each lesson we're looking at numbers and how they work together and how we can understand them more. So our goal today says, students, raise your hand if you're a student. Yes, that is all of you. Students will show 10s and 1s in 2-digit numbers by drawing 10 sticks and drawing 1 cubes. Today we're going to do drawings in our notebook. So everybody should have their notebook opened and they should have their pencil. I know in my classroom, we usually show 10s and 1s and we click our Unifix cubes together, but I don't have any Unifix cubes here at home and I doubt that you have them too. Although later you could try doing it with Legos. So we're just going to draw our 10s and our 1s in our notebook. But we're going to be looking at 2-digit numbers, okay? This is place value. And what place value means is the value of the number changes according to its place. according to where you place it. So here's my board for tens and ones. And I'm going to start with the number 23. Here's the number 23. Now each number has a different value according to where it's located. You can see the 3 is in the ones place. So that means there's just 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to draw squares for the ones, just like the cubes in school. Here are 3 ones. But the 2, would it make sense for me to draw 2 squares? No, it wouldn't, because this 2 is not a 2. This 2 is in the tens place. So it means there are 2 groups of 10. So my tens are going to be tall, just like if I had put 10 squares together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's a 10 stick. And then I have 2 tens in this number. I'm not going to draw all the lines, but we're just going to use tall rectangles to show the tens. Because this is not a 2, this is 2 tens. So we say 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Do you see how the value of the number changed because of its place? The value of this number is just 3 because it's in the ones place. The value of this number is not 2, it's 20 because it's in the tens place. So 10, 20, and then 21, 22, 23. Let's try another one. I don't have my sock erasers, so I'm just using a towel. This time the number is 35. Go ahead and write 35 in your notebook. Everybody writing it in their notebook? All right, with 35, let's look at the 5. The 5 is in the ones place. So go ahead and draw 5 squares. The value of 5 is just 5 because it's in the ones place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now let's look at the 3. The 3 is in the tens place, so it doesn't equal 3. It equals 3 tens. So you're going to draw tall rectangles for 10 sticks, just as if we put our cubes all together. There are 3 tens, so this tells me that the 3 stands for 10, 20, 30. This is not a 3, it's a 30. So let's count this up. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Do you see how the value of the number depends on where it's placed, whether it's in the ones or in the tens? Did everybody draw 35 in their notebook? 3 10 sticks and 5 1 squares. Let's try another one. We'll do a couple of these before we're finished. All right, this time, put my line back, my number is going to be 17. Everybody draw 17 in your notebook. My number is 17. So I look, how many ones do I have? I have 7. So draw 7 ones cubes. Because the 7 is just a 7. It's in the ones place. And my 1, is this just a 1? No, it's in the tens place, so it's 1 10. We have to draw a big 10 stick. Because this is not a 1, it's 10. It's 1 10. So now let's count it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have 17, 1 10, and 7 ones. It's really like we're pulling the number apart so we can understand it. We're seeing what makes up the number 17. Very good. Let's try another one. Find a place in your notebook We're going to do 2 or 3 more. This time my number is going to be 49. Go ahead and write 49 in your notebook, and I want you to take a try. I'm going to give you a minute, and I want you to draw 49. How many 1 squares should you draw? How many 10 sticks should you draw? You take a minute and do it in your notebook, and then we'll do it together. Everybody's working? Think about it. What does the 4 mean? It's not really a 4, is it? All righty, let's check it out. The 9 is in the 1's place, so that tells me we have 9 1's. So everybody should have drawn 9 squares, 9 1's cubes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are my 9 1's. The 4 is not a 4, it's 4 10's. So really it means 40, because here's 10, 20, 30, 40. It seems like my marker's not doing too well. So we have 4 10's and 9 1's. Let's count it. In my class, we always tap when we count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. All right, let's try one more. Did you get that when you did it by yourself? Did it check out and look like mine? I hope so. The last one that we're going to do, let's do the number 63. Write the number 63 in your notebook and go ahead and give it a try. Draw the 1's and draw the 10's. So think about it. The 3 is in the 1's place. Think about what to draw. And the 6 is in the 10's place. So it's really not a 6, is it? It's 6 10's. Is everybody drawing what they need to draw in their notebook? I think you guys are doing a great job. All right, let's check it out. The number is 63. 3 tells me 3 1's. So we should have 3 1 squares. And the 6 tells me 6 10's. So I need 6 of these tall 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this number is not 6, is it? If we count these up, we're going to see what number this is. Let's count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So this is not a 6, it's 60 because it's in the 10's place. 61, 62, 63. Very good. You've done a very nice job today. We'll stop practicing there, but for next week's homework, I'm going to give you some place value where you'll draw the 10's and the 1's. Again, the importance with place value is that we look to see where the number is placed, because that tells us the value of the number. The numbers don't just mean 6 or 7 if they're placed in the 10's place. We always have to look to see what place they're in, and that gives us the value. So let's check our goal. Here's our goal. And our goal said students will show 10's and 1's in 2-digit numbers. Yep, we used 2-digit numbers. Each number had a 10 and a 1. And we drew 10 sticks and we drew 1 cubes to show those numbers. And again, this is number sense. We're just pulling apart the numbers and seeing how they make sense. All righty? You did a very nice job today. I hope you have a great day. It looks like it's going to be a nice, beautiful day. So I will see you on Wednesday, and I hope you have a great day. Bye, friends.